Okay, so let's take a look. So there isn't a lot of information given to us. Let's just highlight what we know. Number one, okay, you have the big, medium, small. That's correct, right? And the price of each one of them that's stated over there. That's correct as well. We know that there's a total of 44, and we know the total value, which is $12.40. So another clue is the number of big stickers is the same as the number of medium stickers, and that's it. That's the only information given to us, and we're supposed to solve, which is a bit difficult. But what we do is let's try and put the information into the table that which you have drawn over here, okay, and see what we can get. So let's just analyze the units. Now, in terms of the units, if the number of big stickers is the same as the number of medium stickers, what I can do is I can put 1 unit, and here also 1 unit, because it's 1:1, right? You can see the ratio is 1:1. And did they tell us how many small stickers are there? We don't know, right? Yeah, we have no idea. So what we can do is we can just put one part lah, P. So this is what I mean by there is units and parts inside here. Alright, they incorporated units and parts into here. So if I were to find the VU, okay, okay, let me just use the cents instead of dollars for easier calculation. Let me just change this. So for the big one, 40 cents, I just put 40, and the medium is 30, and the small is 20 cents. Okay, so what is the VU that I have here? 40 times 1 will give me 40, and this 30 times 1 is 30, and now here is slightly different because this is parts, right? So it's not V times U anymore, right? It's like, okay, so I call this 40U, this is 30U, and this is 20P. Okay, so far is it okay? Yeah, so you see we are able to at least fill up this table. I don't know, maybe you can get like 1 mark or half mark, based on just this information. Okay, so now we look at the other information that's given to us. Look at this 44. Now where do you think how do I get this 44 from the table? Where do I get this 44 from the table? Or where is this 44 in the table? Do you know? Can you like circle for me? And of course, the other information is the 12.40. Where is this $12.40 in the table? Yeah, correct. Okay, so these 44 stickers, right? Correct. Okay, this is correct. If I add them together, this part that Andre has circled, I should get 44 stickers. Now, what this means is 2 units. So if I add them together, plus, plus, plus. So 1 unit plus 1 unit is 2 units, right? So 2 units plus 1 part will give me 44. Correct? Okay, that will give me 44. And then the other one is the total value of $12.40. Okay, where is this $12.40 in the table? Can you circle for me? Where is the $12.40? Correct. Very good. Okay, so if I take 40, okay, 40 plus 30 will give me 70. So 70 units, 70U plus 20 parts is equal to, now take note, these are all cents. These are all cents. Yeah, so I need to change my $12.40 to all cents, so I get 1240. Yeah, so can you see, does this look familiar to you? This part? What is this? The units and parts. Alright, Yeah, so what happened here is that there are two concepts. Let me just talk a bit more about here. The first concept is this table that you drew is the concept of value and units, right? But the solution to solve this, right? You gotta use, this is our concept of units and parts. Wow, my pen like no battery. Units and parts. Okay, and parts. No. Okay. Okay, can. So they mix the two, and therefore it becomes very difficult. In Nanyang Primary, the last year prelim, this was one of the more difficult question to solve, right? Because you got two of them stuck like that. Okay. So how do we solve the units and parts? Let's just zoom in on the units and parts right now. So what we can do is we can make the parts the same, correct? Right? So how do we solve the how do we make the parts the same? We can take here this one multiply by I mean you can make parts the same. We can, yeah, we multiply by 20. So yeah, we will get 40 unit plus 20 part equals to 880. Right? Next, I find the difference. So here is 70U and this is 40U. Alright, so what's the difference? We get 30U. So a difference of 30 units is equal to, okay, the difference between here and here. So 1240 minus 880, that's 360. 360. So 1 unit will be equals to 1 unit equals to 360 divided by 30, that's 12. Right, so once we have 1 unit equals to 12, we can solve a lot of the things at the top, because according to, wait let me take a look. Okay, so you can see here this is 12, when is 12, this is 12, right? So I want to find one part. Now if 1 unit is 12, what is one part? Now just look at this question here. 2 units plus 1 part is 44, so 2 unit will be equals to 24. Now if 2 units is 24, 1 part will be equal to 20. Is that okay so far? Okay, great. Now if I know 1 part is 20, wait, what is our question? How many small stickers did Lizan buy? So we refer back to this one, right? Small stickers, units, right? Is only 1 part, so 1 part is 20, so the answer is 20, right? So the answer is just 20 for this. Okay, next. So how much more did Lizan spend on the big stickers than she did on the small? So I know 1 part is 20, right? So I can calculate how much did she spend on the Lizan. Is a girl, right? Yeah. So how much did she spend on the 20-cent coins? Wait, what 20-cent coin? The 20-cent, the small stickers, right? So it's 20 cent times 20. So we take 20 cent times 20. That's the cost of the small stickers. And for the big ones, big ones, right? Big ones is 40 cents and 1 unit is 12. So we take 40 cents times 12. Alright, so we can find the difference. 40 cents times 12, okay. Oh, no. Okay, wait first, I need to change the pen again. Yeah, it's always like halfway, then give me. Every time halfway, right, I get this problem. Okay, done. Okay, this. Okay, so 20 cents times 20, I get that's just $4. And the other one, 40 cents. 40 cents times 12 will give me 480. So the difference, wow, lagging. Okay, so the difference is 80 cents. Right? It's just a difference of 80 cents. That's it. Okay, so this question, good question, difficult. Use two concept, value, units, and units and parts.